within this government. All is not well, but ruling party members are going to the well. That's a different matter. एक दिन टीएमसी जाते, एक दिन आरपी जाते, एक दिन बीएमके जाते, एक दिन जो भी उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं वो सब लोग बीच में रोटेशन वेल में जा रहे हैं. This Congress party do not know the art of running a coalition. That's why the people of the country are asking, do we have a government? Who is governing us? The essence of governance, particularly in the age of coalition politics, what is important is leadership, decisiveness, credibility, and a trust between allies. The trust is missing. There is distrust, mistrust, division, dissensions. Divergence. The developments in the last few days have shown us that this government has failed on all these counts. One minister from Uttarakhand has resigned. His whereabouts are not known. One minister purported to have resigned. His position is not known. Railway minister. The Congress party has violated the basic dharma of coalition by breaking the trust with the allies. Now one of the allies from South is saying that if the government do not support the resolution at Geneva, then we have to rethink. One of the allies was protesting near Gandhi statue. There is no governance. These foundations of this government are being shaken brick by brick. There is no governance. It is a theatre of absurd. This government today, as I said in the House, enjoys the stability of a graveyard. Today, we are supposed to have the reply by the Honorable Prime Minister and voting on Presidential address. But the ruling party has run away. There is no reply by Prime Minister. There is no voting. They are saying, what is the problem, sir? If there is no voting, there is a noting. The ministers are noting the points. Because they are afraid of their strength. Prime Minister has often been saying, I have the numbers. Prime Minister's numbers are there on paper. but members are not there with you. Otherwise, why this difference? The other day you ran away from Rajya Sabha on Lokpal bill. Now you are running away from Lok Sabha on the presidential address motion. What is happening? How long you do it? That's why we say, if you can set right your house, do it, govern or get out. ये बेहतर होगा. ये मजाक हो रहा है. People are amused of what is happening. A minister presents the budget and his own party protests outside. And I gave some examples of how this government is functioning. The government, with fanfare, announced the FDI and then kept it in abeyance. Abeyance is the order of the day. The government announced hike in petroleum prices last November because of pressure kept in abeyance. Teesta Water Accord planned, discussed with Bangladesh and signing was stopped because of internal problems. Lokpal was debated in Lok Sabha, voted, and in Rajya Sabha, the government runs away. You first say Anna Hazare is a great man, honest to the core, and subsequently you say that is corrupt from head to toe. I am not exaggerating, I am not using any of my words. You sent 4 cabinet ministers to the airport, put up a red carpet to Baba Ramdev, and you call him God. Next day you call him fraud. You are General Secretary, Congress General Secretary. Additional Solicitor General makes a submission in Parliament on decriminalization of homosexuality. Within hours, Home Ministry makes a contradictory statement. You announce NCTC, setting up of NCTC with big fanfare, and fix the date of March 2nd, and subsequently you keep it in abeyance. You announce ban on cotton export on 5th March. On 12th March, you withdraw, you lift the ban. 5th March को ban और 12th March को ban lift करना कमाल है. That's why I said people are amused. इसलिए मैंने कहता हूँ इस सरकार में दाहिने हाथ प्रपोज करते, बाएं हाथ अपोज करते, दिमाग खराब है. Right hand proposes, left hand opposes, mind disposes. This is what is happening. 2 ministers they took on election commission. One man said, I am ready to be hanged. Of course, people have hanged him in the election. And second day, they have to apologize. The government started discussing new measures to check the model code of conduct. And there was reaction, it was kept in cold storage. So this is how this government is functioning. The better, sooner the better the government goes. But one of the thing is, we always suggest to this government, if you can centralize your house, fine, you can govern, otherwise get out. Don't continue this tamasha. India cannot afford to have this luxury of instability and tamasha. We don't know what they will do with regard to railway budget. I am also of the opinion whether the ministry is there or not, budget will be there. Even if there is a farewell to the minister, fares will be there. But fares are going to be there and they are also going to be withdrawn. That has to be seen. As for the BJP is concerned, we have already said that it's an additional burden on the common man. It will add to the further fueling of inflation. And the UPA has betrayed the people. फ्रेंड्स, हमारा वर्ष इतना ही है। अब कुछ जानना चाहे तो
विजय जी, आपने कहा तो गेट आउट, आपने कहा कि या तो चलाइए सरकार या फिर गेट आउट हो जाइए, इससे आपका क्या अर्थ है? प्रधानमंत्री को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, क्या है?
हम कुछ नहीं मांग कर रहे हैं, सरकार चला सके तो चलाओ, नहीं तो छोड़ के जाओ। बोला ही नहीं था।